Ever sat in front of your laptop, staring at your half-finished website, completely overwhelmed by WordPress? You're not alone. I've been there, frustrated by endless technical jargon, lost in a sea of plugins, and wasting hours Googling every little step. Maybe you've tried to launch your business online, but the tech just keeps getting in your way. Or you're tired of shelling out money to web developers for every small change. It feels like building a slick, professional website is only for the coding elite. But imagine this. You wake up and, in less than an hour, you've launched a stunning business site. No code, no confusion, no panic attacks. Imagine having the confidence to tweak anything on your site, add a new store, launch a blog, or update your portfolio all by yourself. No more waiting on developers, no more breaking the bank, you're in control. Your website is working for you, not against you. That's exactly what the WordPress Training Kit bundle from Digitabuzz Academy is built for. This isn't just another scattered YouTube playlist or a dry technical manual. I'm talking 31 crystal clear step-by-step video lessons that walk you through every single part of building a WordPress site, from buying a domain to advanced troubleshooting, without a lick of coding. Need to set up branded email? Easy. Want to launch an online store? You'll do it, fast. Dreaming of a polished portfolio or a nonprofit site with donation tools? It's all here, broken down into simple, actionable steps. Plus, as a part of our limited time offer, you're getting the Rapid WordPress eBook as a bonus. A premium fast-track guide that shows you how to build a full business website in just 60 minutes, with chapters for every kind of site you might need. E-commerce, blogs, service pages, even real estate listings or event sites. You want flexibility? You get lifetime access, learn at your pace on any device. Prefer reading to watching? Dive into the ebook. More of a visual learner? Stream the videos? What makes this bundle stand out? It's the all-in-one, zero-fluff roadmap. No more endless Googling or piecing together random tutorials. You'll master cPanel, site security, analytics, plugins, site speed, the works. And whether you're a total beginner or want to sharpen advanced skills, this kit grows with you. Best part? You're backed by Digitabuzz's 30-day, no-risk, 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. So you can try the entire course, build your dream site, and if it's not the game changer you need, you get your money back, no questions asked. Don't let WordPress hold your business back. Stop wasting time and start building your online success today. Enroll now in the WordPress Training Kit bundle and take command of your digital future. The next chapter of your online success starts today. Make your digital future unstoppable.